Hello, good morning everybody, and a very happy new year to you all. My name is Ganesh. I'm a finance professional and a company law person. I was working with Tatas for over 35-40 years and have now retired and moved to Bangalore in 2010. This is my wife, Mrs. Jaya Ganesh. She used to be a professor in Tamil, MA in Tamil literature in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So, having moved to Bangalore in 2010, we have this handicap of hearing a disability. She has a profound hearing loss since a very early stage, and I have developed this hearing loss due to old age. We were looking in Bangalore at several hearing aid specialists, clinics, and so on. Not very happy with their service. In 2013, about 7 years ago, approximately about 7-8 years ago, we changed at Rajans. We changed to Rajans, and I must say that the association with Rajan over the last 7 years has been very fruitful, and we are feeling very satisfied with the services that we have received. And she is suffering, particularly Mrs. Ganesh is suffering from a profound hearing loss, and her treatment, the personal attention given to her by the audiologists and the experts here have really been very, very helpful. What do you think, Jayaji?
Yeah,
You have anything to say about that?
the same time.
Yes, sure.
ನಾವು ಚಿನ್ನ ஒரு டவுட்டு கூட அவள் கிளியர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தே மேக் ஸோ மச் ஆஃப் எஃபர்ட். என்ன நமக்கு சொல்ல தெரியலை, ஆனால் அதை அவள் எப்படி நம்ம எப்படி சொல்ல முடியுங்கிறத அவளே நமக்கு காட்டித்தரான். நம்ம சொல்கிற கஷ்டத்தெல்லாம் அவள் புரிஞ்சுக்கிறான். தே ஆர் பிகம் எ ஃபேமிலி லைக். ஐ ஃபீல் Mrs. Jayati.
Doctor.
So my daughter is also an audiologist, but she is put up in America. So I feel a daughter in her to express all my difficulties, grievances, and she understands. I am so to say better than my daughter is to say. I am very thankful to her.
So, Mrs. Ganesh is tending to become a bit emotional because she has been very happy with the service that she has received. During this last association of 7 years, we have tried and we have changed over and to several hearing aid machines, and each of them, after a very considered choice, and each of them have been very helpful to us. So the service that we have received is really so satisfactory that we are very, very happy it has rendered, because I must say that as far as communication is concerned, that is the most important faculty which has to be exercised correctly, and the loss of hearing is a loss which cannot be appreciated by others who have not felt it. So it means almost as if you are cut off from the world and you are cut off from this thing. So if there is no sound, there is no life. And it is that sound which has been brought back to our lives. I have seen in the advertisements with Rajan and now Hearphone, which is a division of which is a unit of Rajan. I have seen in the advertisement that they say soundful years, so many years since establishment. And I think that is absolutely no exaggeration at all. It is not. I would like to add that it is not only soundful, it is also soulful, S-O-U-L, soul, because as far as the sound is concerned, the sound touches the soul. In our ancient Vedas and this thing, it is also written that communication, speaking, is not so important as hearing, because hearing is the most important faculty. When we do our Sandhya Vandanam, it says Srunuvama comes. So hearing is something which is most important. It is the most important faculty. Of course, all human indriyas and faculties are important, but of that, as far as hearing is concerned, hearing is the very essence of life. So I wish Rajan Hearing Aid, now Hearphone, all success in their endeavors. They are helping the humanity to a very great extent by catering to their real need, particularly for handicapped people like us. Thank you so much, Rajan. Thank you, Hearphone.